Yo guys, what is up? It's Cool Plays Cakes, and this is gonna be my first video. Today we're gonna be playing some 2D Battle Royale. It's called Survive.io, and let's just hop into a quick solos game. So you can play with your friends. You just share a code. It was in the blue writing earlier on. So, and I just got a vest, and there's a guy there who's got a shotgun. Okay, so we'll just run away from that because we don't have a gun yet. The gun, it's really hard to get guns in this game for some reason. See, you just saw some other guy wandering around without a gun. And, oh, we got a Glock. Are you sure you don't want to attack me? Oh no. Oh no, he's just gonna shotgun me, I can feel it. Yay! Wow. There were just too many people. Okay, my KD is probably like 1.5 in this game. I'm way better than this when I'm at Fortnite. And yeah, let's just see if we can get a winner chicken dinner. Oh, my computer is really laggy for some reason. There's a guy in here, but I'm not worried. He hasn't got a gun. But I am worried because that guy's got a shotty. I'll leave you two guys to deal with each other. There's people in here. Oh no, we just got ourselves a shotty. Oh, 3 shells only. Oh no. Yeet! Wow! I hit the barrel so I blew us up both up. And yeah, that's 1 kill. Oh, that looks good. Soda's just basically a slurp juice. But these places are really good for loot. Each of these things contains, level 3 vest, that's the best thing. Oh my days, we've just got a vest back to back. No, I can't switch. What do you mean? What do you mean? This game doo-doo. This game doo-doo. This game doo-doo. We just melted him. Sorry, but just get melted. Let's just break these chests. Oh, a military backpack. Now all I need is a med. Alright. Okay, that should be good. Med. Oh, I forgot to pick up the military pack. And that's a 4x scope. It just lets you see further. And there's a guy in here, but we're really low on health. Wow. I hate not having meds. That was terrible. Okay, there's a gun there. I think it's an M9. Yep, it's an M9. M9's worse than... M9 is probably just 6 damage a shot. Helmet that will just protect us from damn, it will just let us take less damage. Where is this? I wish I had a scope. Oh, I think I hit him there. Let's pick up these bandies. This one out there. I think I saw some move. Oh, there's a guy with a shotgun. Oh my days. He must have been that guy on 0 health. I'm just gonna quickly take a soda. That's basically a slurp. Reload the shotgun. Get a few kills. Get that winner chicken dinner. Let's see what the map. So it's basically Fortnite. The only thing that's bad is that you can't use wetland. Yeah, you just break up stuff. And that's basically the aim of the game. It's simple. Oh, there's a guy there. Oh, he's got a melt. Yeet. What? How are we not in? Okay then. Oh, there's a AK-47, I think. Oh no, it's a revolver. And snipers are so hard to use in the game. They've got immense bullet travel time. Revolvers are bad, just like they are in Fortnite. And yeah. Okay, I think our only chance is to snipe this guy. Oh, this door's open. Please deload. Quickly equip that. Quickly break up this stuff. Vest. Oh, that's good. That's good. A UMP9. It's like a SMG. Yeet. What? Oh. I think it's a burst. I'm actually just going to quickly pop a soda. I'm really low. That was dumb. I shouldn't have pushed. Oh, this is a prison. Mad. And you can hear the footsteps in there. Oh, there's a guy there. Oh, bandies. Oh, we need to switch it on from the control panel. Let me in. Thank you. And we have these contain tons of loot. Oh, I don't have enough space. That's so annoying. Oh, see? That is a ton of loot. We already have a scope. Some more soda. All I want now is a bag. We've hit him. Why? Oh, we got one kill. Yeet. Yeet. Oh, how? What? Oh, okay. 100 damage. Oh, that's a sick chest. No, I don't need an M9. I'm so dumb. I'm not much of a PC player, I'm more of a PS4 guy. I mean controller. Oh, that is basically a tactical shotgun, except that it only holds 2 ammo. The M870 is a hump. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, I'm being sniped at. Let's go. Easy kills. I'm quickly gonna medkit. Let's go. Medkit only takes 5 seconds, which is sick. I think I'll use this. What you call it? MP5. Yeah, let's go for it. Has he looted this? No, he hasn't. What? Let me. Oh, my computer's really laggy. Let's go a vest. That is the best vest there is. We've also got a helmet, now all we need is a backpack. Okay then. Let's see what storm's like. Okay, I'm in bottom left of map. Let's see what we get in here. A bag, please. Okay. A Glock's actually underrated, but it's still bad. Let's just reload this pump and let's get into action. Oh, that 4x scope's really helping. You can see way far. Okay, we're being shot at. I don't think that's intentional, unless he's got an 8x scope. There's no one here. Oh, a backpack, that's what we needed. To store those meds. I think I'll actually take a Mac. Oh, okay. Let's just give him a smiley face. I'm sorry. Oh, I actually feel bad. I am not a good human being. Yeah, we've already got a level 2 helmet. Anything else for us? No. Why is he throwing smokes? Okay, there's another guy here. That's not that great. Ooh, this guy's been... I've him hard. I've him so hard. Let's go, we got the kill. And now I need to... Oh, I was almost... I almost got the medkit off. Nice, that's not that bad. Okay. I'll probably play one more game, then I'll probably just peace. Nice. M9's probably the worst gun, but... Oh, is that double M9? Yes, double M9 is decent. Decent. Oh, has no one been here? Oh, there's a guy right there. I think he's FK. Okay, what am I doing? I'm a potato. I'm a potato. Let's go. We took way more damage. What is this lag? Somebody clip it, put it on Reddit. Oh, I can't believe we got taken. Okay, let's just play one more and then I'll go. Actually, no, I'll probably play one more squad game depending on how long this... Oh, Mac 32. That's sweet. This lag is not sweet. Mac 10, yeah, it's a Mac 10. I don't know what I was saying. Oh yeah, it holds 32 shots. It has a... Oh, there's a guy there. Let's go. Easy kills using those strats. I'll probably take that AK-47. It looks sweet. Just give it a bit of a cheeky reload. Get rid of the lag. Can you... Guys, what is this lag? Okay, never mind, it's all fine. Let's just reload our AR and let's see what else we get. 2 frags, that's alright. My only med is soda though. And I haven't got any vest. Okay, yeah, we got a vest. I haven't got any helmet though, which would be pretty nice. Ooh, I didn't see that, I'm blind. Take those bandies. Just take a bandage and use the... What do you call it? Soda. Okay, we can't store any more of that. Okay, there's a guy there. What is he trying? I've never seen such stupid... Okay. Let's see what we get. Oh no, no, you scrub! I have to go for the reload. No, the reload killed me.